Hey people, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to block a phone number on Android. So if I go for my phone call option, then if I just go select this number, just hold it for a second and you can see here is the block and report spam. Just go for it and you can click on block and you can see it's blocked now. So yeah, this is how you can block a number on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.